Ever pondered over the right way to upload videos on YouTube in the year 2024 using your mobile device? Well, fret no more. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, you need to have the YouTube app installed on your mobile device. If you don't already have it, make your way to the App Store and download it. It's as simple as typing YouTube into the search bar, clicking on the icon, and then clicking Install. Once you have the app installed, open it up and sign into your YouTube account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Just click on the Sign In button and follow the instructions on your screen. It's a straightforward process and you'll be signed up in no time. Now that you're signed in, it's time to upload your video. Look for the Create icon, which is usually a plus sign inside a circle, located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and select Upload Video. Next, you will need to choose the video that you want to upload. Your device's gallery will pop up, and you can select the video of your choice. Just tap on the video, and then tap Next. The next step is all about the details. You'll need to fill in the title, description, and tags for your video. Make sure to use relevant keywords to help your video get discovered by the right audience. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, select the privacy setting for your video. You can choose between public, unlisted, or private. If you want your video to be visible to everyone, select public. If you only want certain people to see it, select unlisted or private. The final step is to publish your video. Just tap on the upload button and your video will start uploading. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this could take a few minutes, and there you have it. That's the right way to upload videos on YouTube using your mobile device in the year 2024. To recap, here are the key points. Install the YouTube app on your mobile device. Sign into your YouTube account. Tap on the Create icon and select Upload Video. Choose the video you want to upload. Fill in the title, description, and tags. Select the privacy setting for your video. Tap on the Upload button to publish your video. Remember, the quality of your content matters more than anything. So focus on creating engaging and valuable content for your audience. Happy uploading!